Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting tools ready. Enable developer options and USB debugging on the Android phone so it accepts input over USB. Then enable Linux Beta on your Chromebook and install strcpy with apt. This gives you the bridge that forwards keyboard input. Connect both devices with a USB-C data cable. Make sure the cable supports data, not just charging. Once done, keep both devices unlocked and close any apps that might intercept USB connections, so strcpy can claim the device cleanly. Next, you plug the phone into the Chromebook and accept the USB debugging authorization dialog on the phone. That step permits input control. Then open the Linux terminal on Chromebook and run strcpy. The tool mirrors the Android screen and forwards keystrokes and mouse input. You can add options for resolution or bitrate if performance lags. Make sure the phone is set to file transfer or default USB mode if the authorization dialog didn't appear, and then rerun strcpy so the session starts correctly. To finish, close strcpy when done with Ctrl-C. Your Chromebook keyboard will then return to normal. If the connection drops or you lose input, reconnect the USB cable and reauthorize debugging on the phone. This is the most common fix. If performance is poor, lower strcpy's resolution or bitrate, or use a higher quality data cable. One key troubleshooting tip: if the phone never shows the authorization prompt, confirm USB mode on the phone and reinstall a DB on the Chromebook. Often a faulty cable or missing a DB breaks the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.